Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I love drugstore products, you guys. I did a full face of drugstore makeup to create this look that I'm wearing right now. So you can see sort of what's going on. Look, my lips, don't they look bigger? Alright guys, so I just did a huge Dollar Tree haul a couple nights ago. So I want to show you guys everything I got and everything that's new at the dollar store. They have makeup at the Dollar Tree. They have beauty items. They have a ton of stuff. There's a ton of different brands at the Dollar Tree, you guys. If you're looking for a full face of makeup, it was so much fun. Shopping at night is like so fun. I don't know why, but you're probably going to be able to find these items in the Dollar Tree nearest you. And then shortly after, I am going to be using these products on my channel, so stay tuned, subscribe, you don't want to miss any videos. Let's get into the haul. This isn't toilet paper, you guys, this is paper towels. Okay, you need those when you're doing your makeup, honestly. Everything definitely says $1. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out of this bag randomly. So the first thing is, this is by LA Colors, and this is the Smoothing Face Primer. So it says that they have clear yellow, cool pink, peach, and green. Now, this face primer is sort of doubling for like a corrector. I got the color clear. So my intent with this face primer is to use it all over my face. I want to use it at the bottom and make sure that my makeup stays on from underneath. That is why I got clear. I got a couple of other face primers in here with the other colors so that I can even out my skin tone before I even put foundation on. For example, you guys, here is another LA Colors face primer. This is the green one. The reason I got the green face primer is because I do have a little bit of redness on my skin, and not just because I do have a little bit of a red undertone, you know, because of like my ethnicity and things like that, but I do have a little bit of redness on the sides of my nose, and sometimes when I get a brand new blemish, it will come red. So I got this and it was $1. I'm super excited. Another item by LA Colors is this highlight. They had a couple of highlight colors, but I chose this one because if you look at my skin in the center here, I like to use like champagnes, very light golds. I just think it complements my skin very nicely. So I ended up getting a highlighter. I love highlighter, especially just like on my chin and on my nose. I don't put it so much here at the tops of my cheekbones. My face is just really narrow, and I'm hoping that this color really works for me. This color is called Shine Bright. I promise you guys, this is not an LA Colors haul, but they had a ton of new LA Color products there, and I've used LA Colors since I was like way younger in elementary school, and I know their products do have good effect. So with that being said, I've never tried one of their mascaras. This is the LA Colors Black Mascara. This is the Lash Building Mascara. It says lengthen and extend lashes, more volume. So this kind of promises to do everything that you want a mascara to do. Lengthens, adds volumes, and it's black. So it's gonna make your eyelashes look darker than they are. So you can see them from far away. I'm wearing falsies today, but this is the effect that I wanna go for. So I thought this was a good choice for me. Okay, something that's not LA Colors, guys. So this is one of the, I think they had 3 different lip liners to choose from. So I got this e.l.f. lip pencil. You guys, it comes with a little sharpener at the top. I really think that that is a good deal for $1. I mean, it's definitely gonna work for this pencil, if not anything else. It looks like the right size for this pencil. So this is the long wear lip liner pencil, and this color is called Mauve. I'm excited to have a lip liner. So you guys, let's move on to eyes. I'm literally just pulling stuff out of the bag. I have to move on to whatever I pull out. This is the Island Oasis palette. The colors are really pretty. I do wish that there were a little bit more mattes in here. Everything seems to be a little shimmery, but we can make that work, especially since there's such a wide array of colors. This is an eyeshadow palette that I chose because I thought it would give me a lot of different options. I'm definitely not going to be using the applicator that comes with it, but if you don't have like other makeup brushes already and you want 2 for 1, it's the makeup applicator and the palette with almost the whole rainbow spectrum of eyeshadow colors in here except like green, then this is really good for $1. Now the color payoff, I don't know how that's gonna be, but because I like makeup, I don't think I'm gonna mind having spent $1, and I might have to build up the color, but we'll see. So before I do my makeup, I love to make sure that my lips are moisturized. I've been using a lot of chapstick lately, but sometimes I like to use something a little bit more decadent. This is a lip oil. Yes, a lip oil. I found this at the Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm thinking that they're getting ready for the Valentine's Day line. We'll see, but I love a good lip oil. Anything to make my lips a little bit more smooth and kissable. There's that. A couple more LA Color products. So this, oh, it shows up yellow on camera. That's very good because in the store it looked green, but I couldn't tell. But this is a LA Colors brightening concealer with like a doe foot applicator. It says that it's going to correct dullness. So I like this yellow because I can put it under my concealer or mix it with my concealer in the center of my face, and hopefully it corrects dullness. My skin is not super dull. It's a little bit oily, a little bit greasy, all that stuff, but I just love product, and I think that yellow is really, really good for most people with most skin tones. You can use yellow under your eyes a little bit and it'll make it look a little bit brighter. This is the LA Colors contour stick. Okay, so this contour stick looks like it's been through the ringer. Maybe someone chose it and didn't buy it, but the package is closed, so I'm okay with that. Now this says that it is the color Light. It says that it's great for contouring, but I got it for like an eye base. I want to put it under the shadows, maybe to help the shadows stick a little longer. So we'll see how this goes. I don't usually buy like a jumbo crayon to like write on my eyes. I don't go for eyeshadows that are like crayons at all, but we were at the Dollar Tree and it was $1, and we'll just see how effective it is. Okay guys, so I love to prep my skin with a spray, and I also love to make sure that the makeup is gonna stay, and I use a setting spray afterward. So this is the LA Colors setting spray. It says perfect for travel. I think a lot of these pieces are perfect for travel because they're not very big. Okay, so the setting spray, I wonder how good it's gonna be. Like when I spray my face after I do my makeup, I want my makeup to stay on for hours. If it stays on for 8 hours, that is like perfect because it's like a good work day, but I'm not sure how it's gonna smell or anything, or how it's gonna affect my skin, but we're gonna try it out. I'm so excited to do this. A full face, you guys, a full face. This is by Beauty Benefits. It is the Color Squad Cream Lipstick. This lipstick is called the color Sandy Nude. It's kind of like the nude color I'm wearing now, like on the inside, right in here. So I'm hoping to get this effect. This is an LA Colors Eyeliner Eyebrow pencil set. So it comes with two, so I can just designate one for the other, and that would be great. And it also comes with a sharpener. You guys, the Dollar Tree has good deals. You get the sharpener and 2 pencils. This is like 3 products in one. This is the color Black. I think maybe I was looking for like a brown for my brows or something like that, but this will do. I can totally make this work. LA Colors also has a powder blush. Now this blush does seem to have a tiny bit of shimmer in it. I don't prefer a shimmery blush at all. It says it highlights the cheeks. It also says bronzer. This does everything. Okay, look. So it says powder blush, highlights the cheeks, and then on here it says bronzer somewhere. Where is it? Right here. Bronzer. So I'm guessing this is just gonna do everything. I know it's gonna at least work for at least one thing, and then we can find another product in here to do whatever else didn't get done with this, but I'm excited to have it. I think the color is really pretty. It's just basically like it's like a sandy brown with a little hue of pink in there, so I think the color is gonna work for me. It just says bronze. So it's the bronze color. I don't know why it's showing a little bit pink to me. Maybe that's the sparkles in there. I don't know. This product is by e.l.f. It's a lipstick. It says the color is called Sociable down here. That's very cute. I just wanted like a high pink color just in case anything else I got like wasn't gonna work for me. It's like wearing red lipstick and nothing else. You kind of look like you're already done. So I got this as a safe bet. So we'll see if I need it. Okay guys, so I have some complexion products that I wanna show you. Ooh, the complexion selection at dollar stores is usually slim pickings. This is the pressed powder puff applicator included, long lasting wear. Okay, so this color might be okay. It might be okay. I don't know. This is the color called Tan. So we'll see how well this powder does for me. Tan usually does alright, but I'm just hoping it doesn't show up like gray or something like that. So, oh, I got a second blush. Okay, so this blush is called Sun-Kissed Tan. This one shows a little bit more mauve than the other blush that I got, and it also is shimmery. I don't know why I got two blushes. Maybe I just thought I'll make the most of it and just like try to make something cute happen, but I got another blush. This is by Color Mates. I'm super excited to do this whole video. Okay, I got another lipstick. This color is by Wet n Wild. It's a rich buildable color. It's called Breeze. So it's got that mauve tone to it. Boy, I really wanted products that were gonna work, right? I bought kind of like multiples in each area. I just want a cute look, you guys. I've seen Wet n Wild at the Dollar Tree before. I've seen it at other dollar stores. So I'm very happy that I found this because I've used the brand a lot and I trust them. They have good lipsticks. Alright guys, so this is the last product and it is the Moisturizing Foundation. This Moisturizing Foundation is by a brand called Sassy Chic. This is the dark one color. Honestly, this is the only dark one color that they had. They had other colors there, but they were all much lighter than this. And I don't even know if this is going to be dark enough as a foundation for me, but I'm going to try it out. So Sassy and Chic, I'm glad that this was there. So I think that I have a full face of makeup products to use from the Dollar Tree, you guys. This is going to be a lot of fun. I've never done a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my other social media handles for more pictures and more videos. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay tuned for the upcoming video for a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Love you guys. Bye.